Everyone, good morning. Today is a Saturday, so as usual, it's errands day. And today we have a couple of errands that we need to do. I have to go get my blood test today. That is it. I have to go get my blood test, so we're doing that.
Yes, that.
I changed my Invisalign last night, so
We
usually
still have masking tape or packing tape.
we have packing tape. Usually when you change your tray liners, you shouldn't take it out for 12 hours just to get the teeth all settled in. And usually it's like really sensitive, like your teeth are sensitive because they're moving and they're kind of vulnerable. I don't know. But that is why for today, the lunch is gonna be bigger. So watch me make my shake, I guess. I haven't had my supplements this morning because I don't know if I should or not. Because, you know, I have a blood draw. So this is not anything special also. This is just 2% lactose-free milk with 18 grams of protein, which is double the amount of protein that there usually is.
I can find it. But also, we don't have the Mexican.
Where is it? Okay, and then this is the Vega. It's the protein shake. So for Vega, we get it off of like Vega, and we have a subscription for Vega. So it comes every month. Pretty scheduled actually, because we need 3 each month. So yeah, I put a little bit extra on mine. Kat doesn't, but I only do that because I put extra milk. It's really good. Watch my Vega, not me. There, ta-da. Cooking show.
We're not gatekeeping Vega because we want everybody to be on Vega.
We don't gatekeep anything really. You'll tell you everything.
Subscribe! Use our code! We don't have a code. Just kidding.
So yeah, and you know, shaker bottles always have this one, the balls. And then you just shake it. You know, one time in the office, I was shaking, but I guess I didn't close the thing properly. And it spilled all over me. Well, it exploded all over me. It was sad. Just shake. Okay, anyways, after I do the blood thing, we are gonna go to Richmond because our car has a delay. So we're gonna do that, and then after that, we have to send the package. So I bought a Casio watch on Amazon because Kat wants like not the Apple Watch for times where, you know, you want to dress up a little bit nicer.
Oops, sorry.
So yeah, we're gonna return that because we don't need it right now. Anyways, that's what we're doing today. Come with us. We might do some very light grocery shopping, which is probably just like food for the next 2 days. So yeah. Also, yesterday I got this from Sephora. It's the Tartelette tubing mascara. Beauty vlogger! But I wanted to try it because the lady there, well, I was already looking for a tubing mascara and then I saw that this one is really good. So I wanted to try this one, and it's because I get these like, I don't know, what are those called? Like smudges on the underneath your eyes, and I have to keep like wiping it off during the day, and I feel like that's not good for the skin, so I got this one. And today is gonna be the first time we're trying it, so hopefully it's good. Can't really see. Can you see me? Okay, I just brushed my mascara. I mean my eyelashes to make sure that there are no clumps, because you know, interesting. It doesn't have bristles. It has very tiny bristles. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you guys see? I don't know. It's not focusing. Okay, try it. Gotta apply 2 coats of this apparently. So I'm gonna do one eye and then I'm gonna do the other eye. Apparently this one is really easy to take off too. So we'll see if that is true. I kind of just don't like that it's kind of clumpy. It's clumpy. I don't know if this is good or not. We are just gonna try it. Kind of sucks if it's not good though, you know? Because this was, I don't know. So it looks like that.
That's it.
I don't know, it's kind of clumpy. Don't you think so?
What do you mean? Can I see? It's fine. Ano ba yung ginagamit mo before?
I just want to see if it's gonna like smudge also. I don't know if I should take it before my...
It's okay. I brought some anyway. You need love. Guys, paano kayo uminom ng vitamins? Paano kayo Paano kayo uminom ng ganito kadaming vitamina sa umaga? Like, nilulunok nyo ba lahat? Or chinuchu? Or inisa-isa nyo ba? Ano ba? Kasi may 6 kami dito na pinas. Tapos parang, hindi ako maano sa...
I should change my shirt, it's hot.
Why don't you just wear the white one?
Because I didn't want it.
The stripes. Yeah. Why? What do you want? What do you feel like
I
wearing?
wanted something calm.
Well, that looks comfy.
What's the weather like?
Hey Google, what's the weather like today?
It's currently 15 degrees and mostly sunny in Vancouver. You can expect it to be sunny for the rest of the day with a high of 16 degrees. Tonight will be clear with a low of 6 degrees.
Hindi mo to nakat. Ano bang ano? Need to drink. Masyado malakas sa'yo yung tignan.
I like it. It's comfy.
Can you see?
I'm hoping that there's not a lot of lineup or that it's not a long wait.
It usually is. Quick.
Okay, let's leave. So we'll see you guys in the car. I don't know if this has battery, but we'll charge it in the car. We'll see you guys there. Whoa, look how nice it is outside. Come on. There, it's so nice out. It's giving, it's almost summer vibes. It's giving good spring season vibes. So that's really nice. Oops. Hey, we'll see you guys there. Bye.
So, andito na kami ngayon sa Life Labs. Dito sa Kingsway, kung saan kami laging nagpapakuha ng blood namin or nagpapalab test. But sabi ni Kim
What a fail.
Hanggang lang daw.
They're only until 12.
Hanggang 12 lang
And they're
daw.
closed tomorrow.
Pwede ka naman early morning na lang ng Monday.
Yeah. Or
Early
come on,
morning.
go back.
No,
Office got both?
Yeah, I have John's in the office on Monday, so I have to be there.
What a fail. What a fail. What a fail.
Mali namin kasi hindi namin chinek yung time din. We were very complacent din. Masyado kami naging kampante sa oras. Usually, very early kami pumupunta dito and kasi nga minsan nanonotice. Oo, pero kasi usually dito parang paulit-ulit yung sinasabi kong usually. Pero kasi dito alam namin na sobrang sobrang hindi gaano yung tao and wala silang cut off sa nila sa walk-ins nila. So yun.
Hirono.
Oh, yeah.
So it's too early right now for our appointment for the car. So I guess we're gonna send off the watch sa Staples. Staples ba yun?
Staples or any na post.
Staples.
Or London Drugs.
And then we're gonna fill up our water. Siguro mamayang gabi na yun kasi
Mamaya na
mabigat.
kasi, oo.
And then maybe we'll just walk sa Winners or something because it's too bright outside and like sun and wrinkles. Anyways, see you guys. We'll see you wherever we are. Well, Staples. We'll see you at Staples. Goodbye.
Hello! Welcome to binibenta ko. Alam nyo guys, parang hindi ata umuuyon yung universe sa amin ngayon kasi lahat ng mga kailangan namin gawin, wala pa kami nagawa. I mean, dalawa ang hindi namin nagawa because first yun nga, yung laboratory niya nag-close na maaga, and then second was we were supposed to drop off yung i-return namin, kaso mali pala kasi hindi pala sila tumatanggap ng UPS doon. So maghahanap na lang kami ng UPS area or UPS na ano. But kasi dahil gutom na kami, nag-order kami ng pizza sa favorite namin talaga yung pizza nila, guys. It's called
Buffalo.
Buffalo, yes.
Buffalo or Buffalo?
Buffalo, I'm not
I
sure.
think it's
this
Buffalo,
one.
right? Because it's one F.
Yeah, it's that one, and it's a pepperoni and honey. Sorry, just one second.
Take a video of you.
Honey pepperoni. It's really good. First time namin na-try ito nung nag-dinner kami nila Jessica, yung kasama ni Kim sa work.
Guys, it's so very good in terms of taste. It tastes like pepperoni and honey and some oil, and it's so good.
Oil, and then may konting medyo chili na something, whatever.
It's really good. It's like, it's a little bit spicy, but not too spicy. And it's a little bit sweet, but it's not too sweet. It's just a car because it's not on park. Okay. And we also bought Kit Kat because Kim Cat. And then we also bought Coca-Cola because
very bad
Coca-Cola.
decisions for today, guys.
Don't worry. It's a small bottle. It's the size of my palm and a finger. And then we have water.
Oh, really?
So
tissue pala, no?
still very healthy. Questionable.
I don't have tissue pala.
Wala ba? Di ba meron tayong ano dito?
Ayos na. Wow.
Hindi pa rin naman tayo dumaan mamaya ng ano.
What? Tissue?
Hindi, ng whole food.
Oh.
So I gotta take off my teeth because I gotta eat while we're driving. It's 2 o'clock.
Ako ng ano, ng elastic.
So that's 12 hours. We slept so late. Last night we slept at like 3, but we put in our teeth at 2. So I'm cleared. I can take this out now.
Yan lang yung medyo mahirap if may ano ka.
Pero I am noticing na nag-change na nga yung teeth ko. Kat's noticed it more. But I can feel it sa tangko. I can feel that it's like straightening a bit, but I still have like 3 months or 4 months left of my Invisalign. It's not bad. But the first day that you have your new trays in, it hurts. It hurts. And it's so tender. Like your teeth are so tender.
Yeah, every time magpapalit kami ng trays, sobrang ano talaga, sobrang sakit. Kasi tightened na yung ano eh, like.
But you know who this will work for? Like disciplined people. Not that we are very disciplined. We try to be, especially with these teeth, because you know you're paying for them. I'm holding it still. You're paying for them, so you gotta use them. But you know who this will not work for is people who will always want to snack or drink things. We've actually lost a lot of weight because of our Invisalign, because we can't eat. Well, we can, but you have to take it out and then you have to brush your teeth and then put it back in, and then every time you drink something sweet you have to brush your teeth and put it back in. So it's quite hard to do all of that.
Even with coffee?
Yeah, with coffee too, because the liquid gets in between the trays and your teeth, and then that will stain your teeth, and eventually that will lead to like cavities if you don't brush afterwards. So you really have to make sure that you're on top of all of it, and you have to make sure that you're wearing this for 20 hours a day, and we've been doing that.
20 to 22 hours.
Yeah, because it's impossible to be wearing it 24 hours a day unless you're not eating at all. But earlier, like whenever I'm drinking my protein shake, I just keep it in because I'll take it out after I'm done, and then I'll I'll brush it, but I don't do that when I'm out, obviously, because I can't. But anyways, so now we're just gonna eat, and it's very good. And we're listening to okay, enough. Okay, we'll see you guys later because we're gonna eat and I'm gonna start to drive because we have an appointment at 3 and now it is 2:13 and it's gonna take us approximately like 15 to 20 minutes to get there, so we're just gonna eat really quickly. So we are in Nissan. We have been here forever. It seems like we've been here forever. But it's been over an hour. It's been 2 hours actually because it's 5 now. But what can you do? You're servicing a car. Our oil change is free, but we had to do tire rotations. That's $59. And they asked us to change the filter, but I don't want to do that right now. Guys, your car is alarming. Yeah, after here, where are we going? Oh my god, you're ruining the vlog. What do you think about this? It's annoying. Okay, finally done. Almost 6. 5:46 to be exact.
Almost 3 hours.
It's all good. It's all good at Applewood.
It's all good at Applewood.
And now we are gonna go to one of the malls. Maybe the outlet.
Outlet maybe, we're not sure, but yeah. Anyway, andito naman na kami, so might as well.
So we will see you at our next destination. Shopping lang, boring. Yan?
Sabi mo.
Hindi, sabi ko itago mo.
Guys, andito kami ngayon sa ano?
What the heck?
Richmond Center. Dapat hindi namin to dadalhin, kaso wala, dala ko eh.
Ito tayo. Wow. Amazing. It's like we're at the airport. So we are now home. It's already like 9-ish. Or almost 9. Our last thing that we did was get some water. And it's been a pretty long day. We were out for like 9 hours today. Which is a lot longer than anticipated. Mostly because of, I don't know, Applewood. But it's fine.
It is fine.
Okay, we're just gonna take the elevator and talk to you guys later. Goodbye. We are home. Been a long day. I feel like a lot of our day was not accomplished because we were supposed to get my blood drawn and then return the Amazon package, but we didn't get those 3 done. But we got water, so that's 1. That's fine. We got water and Sprite at Save On Foods, so that's what we bought there. We usually don't want sweets or trying to lessen our sweets, but you know, you need carbonated drinks to burp, and that's what we use this for. We could use like carbonated water, but it's good as a dessert too, you know. Kat and I share one. Only one anyway, like per day, so still fine. So just putting stuff away now. And I just can't believe my first love won't be around. And we bought bras from NYX at Richmond Mall, but this was at a discount because the store is closing and they had a promotion for 2 for $120, and so Kat and I both got one for $120, like 1 each.
Correct.
Because we also don't have bras. Not that we need to justify that purchase, but we don't have like a good pair. So
Just wash it with anything.
yeah. And our other spend today was the buffalo honey pepperoni pizza. That one's really good. And I think that's, how much was that? That's $29 for the entire pizza. And then we bought Coke from Shoppers for burps. But you see, like, it's not even done. So we're not consuming a lot of sugar. It's just really for burps. So that was the spend. So maybe that's $35, and then we paid $60 for the car for tire rotation. So that's $100, and then $120 for Nick's. That's $200 for the entire day of us being outside. That's pretty. And like 1/3 of that is food. So successful day. And we still have leftover pizza, so we're still gonna have this for dinner. Cheers me. We ate half earlier and then we're gonna eat the other half now. But yeah, also update. Look at my lashes. It actually didn't smudge all day. Like there were flakes here and there, but like you just kind of brush it away and it's gone. It doesn't stick to your skin. So it's not clumpy anymore because it's at the end of the day. But yeah, and then apparently it's really easy to wash. So this is a good mascara. It should be. It was like $40. 10 out of 10, I would say. Well, 9 out of 10 because it clumps. But yeah, that was our day today. And now we're just gonna get ready for bed. Clean the house. Clean the house for a bit and then get ready for bed and then watch some shows until we go to sleep. So yeah, anyways, keep watching if you want to. If you don't, then don't. I guess that's it. See you on the next vlog. Bye.